I'm coming back on the BVI National Park fee and all the other extra. I remind you that I ask you to make a booking, to select all the extra inside the booking, to book it. Then you go in Analytic, you put the booking number here, you ask in cost profit complete file, and you click on display. You will have this result with all the extra that you selected, and on this place the goal is to affect each extra to the good account, so we can define the automatic rules to put in place. I remind you also that I explain you, because of this you will see as an account, in account here, for the BVI National Park fee, all the fees that you get during the period for all the charter. So to do it, so there is something that already have a system to block and permit you to nobody can touch or unblock the situation anymore. That's why I couldn't show you, because I didn't remind correctly. So you click here on the name with the paper and pen, you select your account, so it was National Park Trust due, if I'm correct. Okay, so I show you again, you are here, you select, you click on the man with the pen, you select your fee. Okay, here you put what you have to pay to this company. So in this case you told me all the money. Okay, and this is the button that I explained. So if you save, you won't be able to modify this again. The profit will be locked to any update. Okay, so you have to keep unlock and save to make it work. And then if you click on lock, it will block the possibility to change something definitively. So if I close now and I click on display, you will see that the color of the background change. This 55 € now goes to National Trust due, and you have nothing in terms of commission on this extra. So your goal now is to put one booking inside the system with all the extra selected, and you can show me for each one who receives the money. So for example, if the cell phone, the money go to you, you will use TMM as a fleet operator here. Okay, and you can say that the 10 US are going to you. You click on save, can close, and if I click on display, the 10 go to TMM. Okay, so you can define a supplier and define the amount who go to the supplier, and I remind you that for each supplier you can have your commission on it. You just have to put the good amount. So because of it, when you will give us one booking with all the extra select and put the rules like this, we will be able to make it automatically. That means for the National Park permit, the system will automatically apply what you receive from the client to this account, so you can work after in account. So I will show you now. I go there, National Park Trust, National Park Trust. I don't care about the period, and I click on display. You can see here that for this account, you receive, for the two bookings that we did, the one I record and the one I did previously, you can see that during this period, you have 110 € due. And here, the process of payment will be the same. You will select all the box, define paid, and here you can declare your payment, monthly payment, the same process as any account, any supplier account in fact. It can be owner, it can be this park, it can be skipper, it can be all the other persons. I hope that you will understand and that this video helps, so you can, if possible, if you are okay, take one booking, you create a new booking. If possible, use always my religion as a model. So you can take one of these bookings existing if you want, or create a new one. And don't forget to select all the extra here. Okay, and then this way you can check, or if you want I will do it on one of the booking. It's up to you. Let me know. Thank you.